Hello everyone, I'm here today to present you my project about breaking the wall of shame. My name is Sofia Fonda, and just like many other people in this planet, I have my period every month. A couple of years ago, I started using the menstrual cup. Now imagine if every woman you know would start using it. It costs around 20 euros and it will last for 10 years, saving around 300 grams of non-recyclable waste every month. And you can wear it for up to 12 hours without even feeling it. The only problem? You have to clean it with running water. So how is it possible to do it in an average public toilet? As a designer, I made a research and I found that the number of users is growing, but they are ashamed of cleaning the cup in public. I came up with this solution. I would introduce dispensers with the proper intimate soap in the common room and switchable reserved signs inside each toilet cubicle to keep it occupied while the woman is cleaning her cup. In this way, cleaning the menstrual cup in public would be legitimized and become something acceptable. Let's normalize the menstrual cup and let's make menstruation something not to be ashamed of. Thank you.